All right, hit me out. I've been trading for 6 years and been getting whipped for 6 years straight. So follow your boy. Help me get to these 100 subscribers so I can go live and trade. And if I'm losing, hell, somebody got to win. That's how I feel. But the main point I want to get to is trading the range of market, what it's going to do to you. Because I got actual proof of me trading in the market and how the market will go against you when that big ranging. Like for real, you will see. Well, don't think that you're crazy when you see the market is not going above your price, or you see it just keep touching your price and bouncing off and going the opposite way. You are not deceived. I mean, you ain't crazy. I would say that. But if you listen to people when I'm saying, "Oh, it was support, it was building on top of that," yeah, it was doing that in real time. Like y'all got to think about the collective mind. I don't know how it worked, but trust me, the market is definitely going against you, especially when you're putting that fat stuff out there. Every now and then, you know, you can you can get away, but when you start over trading, the market would definitely select you. Like once you spank it behind for a certain amount, trust me, even if you tried to dumb it down and get more, the way these markets moving for the most part, it'll slowly eat away at your profits. So you got to know how to get off of them. I had made money, quite a bit of times, but over trading, especially while the market range and yeah, it do damage. But I just wanted to show y'all the flu gaziness, that'll happen in the range of market, especially when you trading something like NASDAQ that's very volatile. Like I was losing money and it really wasn't going nowhere. But check it out. All right, hit me out. You can tell, like, you got to catch the market slipping when it's ranging from my perspective. Everybody trade different and this how I trade. But I mean, I just tend to notice, especially when it's ranging, you can't you can't be going aggressive, especially if you do go aggressive. You better make it be at a bare minimum, because if you overdoing that aggressive stuff, and I can say that's why I play a role at it. I was being too overly aggressive too much when I see that it didn't want to activate towards the upside or any side that it was going. It just kept bouncing off of these points. So I mean, you do got to learn how to have a bit self-control. But if you over trading, especially being aggressive, oh yeah, you go get caught slipping, and it's gonna do the dash on you. I mean, it'll push to the points, it'll push to your extremes, and whether that's your account extreme or your emotional extreme before it turn around. And if it blow your account, sometimes it tend to just continue to go the same way for a little bit, and then it'll turn around and then do the dash or whatever original way that you thought it was gonna go. So please do not be deceived about how these markets moving. If you feel like, oh man, the market cheating and stuff like that, it's not. It's really just choosing you. You just the chosen one. Some people don't want you to feel like you're special. I know I'm special, and I don't mean in a slow way, but I mean, you got to know how to tread lightly on him. You get your money, you get your money in these markets, get off. You can't be on here playing around, trying to run up a bag. I mean, learn how to get your withdrawals first, I would say, to be honest. Take your time. Don't be trying to force the issue. I'll be honest, when the market is moving, let me show you. When the market is moving within the range like this, especially on a 15-minute chart, you got to take it easy, like for real, because the market is stretching at these points, and it may not seem like a lot, but it definitely is. I mean, it could definitely turn into two mini contracts into $400 plus or minus at any given minute. And that's the truth about trading NASDAQ. But you also got to know how to play with the momentum itself. So even when it's ranging, I try to stay on the upside because it was on the upside, but it slowly worked down, even with the moving averages and stuff like that. But I usually like to go off of price action, not no indicators or anything like that. I like the way the market structure look and not be the best trades. And when it's flat like this, especially coming into New York session, they've been doing this all day, you might catch hell. I'm just being honest. You see the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute chart just ranging like this before you trade, you better trade lightly, especially if it don't just stay on the side and continue that way. Yeah, you better tread lightly. But I appreciate y'all locking in with your boy. Like, subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you, get your boy live, man, so y'all can see me work in live action. And y'all ain't got to see the cut-ups. You can see market in real time. But I get with y'all later. Peace.